Kia ora. I'm here in New Zealand and I'm going to be starting on the Queenstown trails. First one I'll be doing is the Wharehuanui trail, and that's going to take me into Arthur's Point and then head into Queenstown. Alright, enjoy watching the video! Hello, sheep. So they've done some logging there in the sky. Got the paragliders. And they come off Coronet Peak. I can see three. Just following the main road through the countryside, farmland. A couple of cyclists ahead. So I had to ask a local how to say trail name. Might be the highest point. Let's hope so. That's down the valley. Woo. Well, I'm on the trail. That was a steep uphill. 5% at least, get the fitness in. Absolutely gorgeous view. Look at that mountain, it's even got snow on. Off to Queenstown today. Woo. Got some switchbacks to go downhill or uphill, if you prefer it. Alright, we're going to Tahuna, Queenstown, 10.8 on the pink. Alright, coming in at Arthur's Point. Very busy town. Alright, stopped at the Arrowtown for lunch on the Arthur's Point Link Trail. Alright, a few letterboxes. So this is the Upper Point Trail. Upper Point Trail. So this is the Shotover River. Alright, on a Arthur's Point Trail. Going down to Queenstown. Squeaky bike. Just come off the main road. Got one along the park. See the gondolas going up to the top of the mountain. Wharehuanui, or it could be Wharehuanui. Wharehuanui Trail, something like that.